Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to learn the difference between do and make. We make money and we do shopping. We make a lot of money during weekdays. We do the shopping at weekends. My mother asked me to do an advanced computer course in the summer. I haven't made any decision yet. I'm making a lot of friends at work. They do me lots of favor. Making friends, doing favor. The host made a short speech on the research. The team has done countless research in the field of agriculture. Make a speech, do a research. We are doing a new business. We are making huge profits. Doing a business, making profits. I made a few mistakes while I was doing my worksheets. Making mistakes, doing homework. I am doing car advertising at present. The company has made an offer on the cars now. Doing advertising, making an offer. He is making a noise. I can't do any housework. You make a noise, you do housework. I do watch business. The watches are made in India. Do business, things are made. What exercise do you do in the mornings? I go for a walk. I could make 3 kilometers on foot a day. You make some distance possible on foot. I didn't make my bed as it was getting late to office. My mom will do it during her housework. You make your bed and you do housework. I've made pizza for my friends, but they didn't do any help. You make dosa, you make pizza, you make chapati, you make some coffee, but you do help. Everybody is making suggestion to do the project in the outskirts of the city. I'm going to make a decision. You make a suggestion, you make a decision, but you do a project. Let's make a circle. Let's do the practice. We make a circle and we do the practice. Shall we do Hindi on this Sunday? Sorry, I can't make it on Sunday. Do Hindi or study Hindi? Can make it, can't make it. Who was it? It was dark. I couldn't make him out. But he didn't do any harm. If you are learning good English, please subscribe our channel and get new videos directly on your mobile. Thank you. Have a great day.